Do you know that some elements on the periodic table last less than a second? But why? Elements are basically a single atom. They have what is called an atomic weight, which is the number of protons they contain in their nucleus. That makes them an element. Elements 113 to 118 are, however, man-made. These things fall apart because they're basically too big for their own good. You have two forces at work inside of an atom, the strong force and the electromagnetic force. The strong force is what holds all the protons together in the nucleus of an atom, like a super strong glue. But protons are positively charged, and like charges repel each other through the electromagnetic force. Protons don't want to touch each other, much like how two magnets can repel each other. However, the strong force is keeping them together, much like gravity is forcing these two magnets together in this example. Disclaimer, the strong force is not gravity. Protons near the center have lots of neighbors close by, so they share their strong force with each other. And this holds them together tight. However, at the edges of the nucleus, protons don't have enough nearby neighbors to share their strong force. The electromagnetic repulsion wins in this case, and the whole nucleus falls apart. Anyway, this all feels like wishful thinking on a physicist's part. Forcing a bunch of protons together for a group photo seems pointless. You're never going to build anything out of this stuff unless you can somehow make the strong force stronger, and that would mean rewriting the entire universe. Anyway, I would have thought chunks of protons flying around would have bumped into nearby atoms and everything go boom. But nope, I am not a physicist. Well, that's an understatement. Oh, keep it to yourself, fuzzball.